Roadmap to become a mobile app developer. Look around you. Almost everything today happens through mobile apps. From social media to banking, shopping to fitness, mobile apps are everywhere. And the people behind them. Mobile app developers. A mobile app developer builds applications for smartphones and tablets. These apps run on platforms like Android and iOS. So, how do you get started? First, understand the basics of programming. Languages like Java, Kotlin, Swift, or JavaScript are commonly used. If you want to build Android apps, focus on Java or Kotlin. For iOS apps, learn Swift. Or, if you want to build apps for both platforms, you can use cross-platform frameworks like React Native or Flutter. Next, learn how mobile apps work. Understand app lifecycle, navigation, and user interactions. Then explore UI design for mobile. Learn how to design responsive and user-friendly interfaces. Because mobile screens are small, and every pixel matters. After that, learn how to work with APIs. Most apps need data from servers, like user accounts or content. APIs help your app communicate with the backend. You should also learn about databases. Store data locally using SQLite or Firebase. As you grow, understand authentication. Learn how login systems, OTPs, and security work. Then move to advanced concepts like push notifications, offline functionality, performance optimization. Now comes the most important step, practice. Build apps like to-do list apps, weather apps, chat applications, then move to advanced projects like e-commerce apps, social media apps, fitness trackers. Publish your apps on the Play Store or App Store. This adds huge value to your portfolio. But be ready for challenges. Debugging mobile apps, handling device compatibility, and performance issues can be tough. That's why patience and testing are important. Think like a mobile app developer. Focus on user experience, performance, and reliability. Because a great app is not just built. It's used daily by thousands, even millions. Start your journey today and become a mobile app developer building apps that people love.